Welcome to Scholarship Guidance Center. My name is Ravi Joshi sir and today's topic is 10th Standard Maths 2 Coordinate Geometry Exercise 5.1. First we have to remember this. Coordinates of origin are 0, 0. If the points are origin points, then coordinate of that points are 0, 0. Hence the coordinates of point P are x, y. Suppose x and y, then distance OP, O means origin to point P is equals to under root x square plus y square. Remember this, if coordinates of origin are 0, 0, then suppose we take any point P from this origin, then coordinates of that point P x, y, that is under root x square plus y square. Then if points P x1 y1 and Q x2 y2 lie on the xy plane, then distance PQ is equals to under root x2 minus x1 to the whole square plus y2 minus y1 to the whole square. Suppose we square on both the sides, then PQ square is equals to this square root sign, okay, gets cancelled and we get x2 minus x1 to the whole square plus y2 minus y1 to the whole square, okay. Now see 5.1 practice set 5.1 question 2. Determine whether the points are collinear or not. First point is A 1 minus 3, B 2 minus 5 and C minus 4 7. Now see question number 2, problem number 1. Let A 1 minus 3 is equals to x1 y1, then B 2 minus 5 equals to x2 y2 and C minus 4 7 is equals to x3 y3. Okay, first we have to find out distance AB, then find out distance BC, then find out distance AC. Okay, by distance formula I write here, by distance formula, डिस्टेंस फॉर्मूला से हम क्या लिखेंगे, डिस्टेंस फॉर्मूला, डिस्टेंस एक्स वाई इज इक्वल टू अंडर रूट y2 minus y1 to the whole square plus x2 minus x1 to the whole square. Here minus sign is there, x2 minus x1 to the whole square. Now use this distance formula here, we have to find out first distance AB is equals to under root, okay. Now which is y2, here y2 is minus 5 minus y1 is minus 3 minus 5 minus 3 to the whole square plus x2 is 2 minus x1 is, here x1 is 1, 2 minus 1 to the whole square. Here first I write y2, value of y2 minus 5 minus y1 is minus 3, okay, to the whole square. This is equals to under root again. Now here minus 5 minus minus plus 3 to the whole square plus 2 minus 1 is 1 square, okay. This comes to be equals to under root minus 5 plus 3 is minus 2 to the whole square plus 1 square. This is equals to minus 2 square is 4 and minus minus plus 1 and under root 4 plus 1 is under root 5. That means distance AB is equals to under root 5. Suppose this is first, okay. Now similarly we have to find out distance BC. See, we have to find out distance AC. For AC, x3 minus x1 to the whole square plus y3 minus y1 to the whole square. This comes to be equals to under root. Now see here x3 is minus 7, sorry, x3 is minus 4 minus x1 is 1 to the whole square plus y3 is 7 minus y1 is minus 3 to the whole square. Then this is equals to under root minus 4 minus 1 is minus 5 to the whole square plus this is 7 minus plus 3 to the whole square. This is equals to under root minus 5 square is 25 plus 7 plus 3 is 10 square. This is equals to 25 plus 10 square is 100, and this comes to be equals to distance AC is equals to under root 125. This is equation number 3rd. Okay. Now we have to find out distance BC. Distance BC is equals to here x3 minus x2 to the whole square plus y3 minus y2 to the whole square. Now here x3 is minus 4 and x2 is 2. Minus 4 minus 2 to the whole square, I write here, is equals to minus 4 minus 2 to the whole square plus y3 minus y1. Here y3 is 7 minus 5. Okay, 7 minus 5 to the whole square. Now simplify this under root minus 4 minus 2 minus 6 to the whole square plus 7 minus plus 5 to the whole square. This is equals to minus 6 square is 36 plus 7 plus 5 12 square. Okay, this is equals to under root 36 plus 12 square is 144. This is your distance BC. This comes to be equals to 6 plus 4 10 0 1 carry 4 plus 3 7 plus 1 8 and 1 as it is. Okay, that is under root 180, under root 180. Now see here again 125, we write 125 as 25 5 is 125, is it right? And square root of 25 is 5 and this 5 is as it is. This is your equation number 2nd. Okay, this is not 3rd, this is 2nd. And see here 180, I write 180 as 36 5 is 180 and square root of 36 is 36 and this root 5 as it is. This is equation number 3rd, that is distance BC. Okay, now among these which is the greater? See here first one is AB. I write here distance AB. Distance AB is equals to how much? Root 5. Distance BC is equals to how much? 6 root 5. And distance AC is equals to 5 root 5. Now see which is the greater? Greater is this one, 6 root 5, is it right? If this 6 root 5 is equals to addition of these two numbers, then these 3 points are collinear. Now see here 6 root 5 is equals to 5 root 5 plus root 5, is it right? See here 6 root 5 is equals to 5 root 5 plus root 5. Now 6 root 5 is, therefore distance BC is equals to distance AB plus distance AC. Okay, distance BC is equals to distance AB plus distance AC. Therefore your last answer is, therefore points A, B, C are collinear. Okay, points A, B, C are collinear. Now see question 2, question number second. Let L is equals to L minus 2, 3 is equals to x1, y1, n 1 minus 3 is equals to x2, y2, and n 5, 4 is equals to x3, y3 by distance formula. By distance formula. Now we have to find out first distance between L and M. I write here distance Ln is equals to under root, what is the formula? x2 minus x1 to the whole square plus y2 minus y1 to the whole square. This is equals to under root. Now x2 is how much? 1 minus x1 is minus 2 to the whole square plus y2 is minus 3, y1 is 3 to the whole square. Now tell me 1 minus minus 2, that is 1 minus minus plus 2 to the whole square plus minus 3 minus 3 minus 6 to the whole square. This is equals to under root 1 plus 2 is 3 square plus minus 6 square. Now this is equals to distance Ln is equals to 3 square is 9 and minus 6 square is 36, and therefore distance Ln is equals to 9 plus 36 is 45. We split this 45 as 9 5s are 45, and therefore distance Ln is equals to square root of 9 is 3 and square root of 5 is unknown, and this is equation number 1. Similarly, now we have to find out distance Mn. Okay, similarly distance Mn is equals to under root, what we have to write? x3 minus x2, x3 minus x2 to the whole square plus y3 minus y2 to the whole square. Now tell me x3 is here, x3 is 5 minus 1 to the whole square plus y3 is how much? 4 minus minus 3 to the whole square. I write here 5 minus 1 to the whole square plus y3 is 4 minus minus 3 to the whole square. Now 5 minus 1 is, tell me 5 minus 1, 4 to the whole square plus 4 minus minus plus 3 to the whole square. This is equals to 4 square is 16 plus 4 plus 3 is 7 square. This comes to be equals to under root 16 plus 7 square is 49, and this is equals to 9 plus 6 15, 1 carry, 4 plus 1 5 plus 1 6, under root 65. Okay, that is your distance Mn. This is equation number second. Then we have to find out distance Ln. Similarly, distance Ln is equals to under root x3 minus x1 to the whole square plus y3 minus y1 to the whole square. Now tell me x3 is here, x3 is 5 minus minus 2 to the whole square plus y3 is 4 minus 3 to the whole square. Okay, I write here 5 under root 5 minus minus 2 to the whole square plus y3 is 4 minus 3 to the whole square. This is equals to under root 5 minus minus plus 2 to the whole square plus 4 minus 3 is 1 square. This is equals to 5 plus 2 is 7 square plus 1 square. Now 7 square is 49 plus 1 square is 1. This is equals to under root 50. This is equation number 3. That is distance ln. Okay, we have to find out distance ln, mn and ln. Okay, now see here, distance ln is under root 45 here. Under root 45, I write this under root 45. Okay, then distance mm is under root 65 and distance ln is under root 50. Now see which is greater, under root 65. Okay, now see here 65 is equals to 45 plus 50. No. Okay, under root 65 is greater. Okay, and under root 65 is not equals to under root 45 plus under root 50. That means, that is 65 means distance mn is not equals to distance ln plus distance ln. Okay, and therefore we can write these 3 points. Points are L, M and N. Okay, points L, M, N. Therefore points L, M and N are not collinear. Are not collinear. Now see 5.1, question 2, question number 3. Let R03 be x1 y1, then D21 be x2 y2, and S3 minus 1 be x3 y3. Then by distance formula, distance RD is equals to x2 minus x1 to the whole square plus y2 minus y1 to the whole square. This is equals to under root x2 is 2 minus x1 is 0 to the whole square plus this is 0, y2 is 1 minus x1 is y1 is 3 to the whole square. Now see here 2 minus 0 is 2 square plus 1 minus 3 is minus 2 square. Now see distance RD is equals to 2 square is 4 minus 2 square is also 4. Under root 4 plus under root 4 is under root 8. Okay, now split this 8 as 4 to the 8 and therefore distance RD is equals to square root of 4 is 2 and this root 2. That is equation number 1. Similarly, distance DS is equals to under root, what is that, x3 minus x2 to the whole square plus y3 minus y2 to the whole square. Now tell me x3 and x2. This is equals to under root x3 is how much? See here x3 is 3 minus 2 to the whole square plus see here y3 is minus 1 to the whole square. Now 3 minus 2 is 1 square plus minus 1 minus 2 square. This is equals to under root 1 square is 1 minus 2 square is 4 and 1 plus 4 is root 5. Okay, this is under root 5. This is equation number 2nd. Distance DS is equals to under root 5. Similarly distance RS is equals to under root x3 minus x1 to the whole square plus y3 minus y1 to the whole square. Now x3 is here, x3 is how much? x3 3 minus 0 to the whole square plus y3 is minus 1 minus 3 to the whole square. I write here 3 minus 0 to the whole square plus y3 is minus 1 minus 3 to the whole square. y1 is minus 3. Okay, y1 is 3 and sign is minus because बीच में minus sign है ना. It equals to under root 3 square plus minus 1 minus 3 is minus 4 square. This is equals to 3 square is 9 minus 4 square is 16 and 16 plus 9 is 25 and therefore distance RS is equals to 25 का स्क्वायर रूट कितना आता है 5. ओके, दिस इज इक्वेशन नंबर 3. ओके, now see from first, second and third. Now see from first, second and third. I write here from first, second and third. Which is greater here? 5 is greater. Okay, 5 is not equals to 2 root 2 plus root 5. Okay, and therefore 5 means what? Distance RS is not equals to distance DS plus distance RD. Okay, and therefore point R, D and S are non-collinear or they are not collinear points. That is your last answer. Very easy. Okay, now 5.1 question 2, question number 4. Let t minus 2 3 is equals to x1 y1. Then next point is q 1 2 is equals to x2 y2 and third point is r 4 1 is equals to x3 y3. Okay, then we have to use here which formula? Distance formula. I write here therefore by distance formula. What we have to write? Distance formula. Distance PQ is equals to under root x2 minus x1 to the whole square plus minus plus y2 minus y1 to the whole square. This is equals to under root. Now tell me x2 is 1 minus x1 is minus 2. Here x1 is minus 2 to the whole square plus y2 is 2. Here y2 is 2, y1 is 3. 2 minus 3 to the whole square. Now here again under root sign as it is 1 minus minus plus 2 to the whole square plus 2 minus 3 is minus 1, greater number minus smaller one and sign of greater. Okay, is equals to under root 1 plus 2 is 3 square plus minus 1 square is 1. Now see here 3 square is 9 plus 1, that is under root 10. This is equation number 1. This is your what? Distance PQ. Similarly distance QR comma, okay, distance QR is equals to under root x3 minus x2 to the whole square plus y3 minus y2 to the whole square. This comes to be equals to x3 is how much? 4 minus 1, 4 minus 1 to the whole square, y3 is 1 minus 2 to the whole square. This equals to 4 minus 1 is 3 to the whole square plus 1 minus 2 is minus 1 to the whole square. Now this is equals to 3 square is 9 and minus 1 square is 1, that is 9 plus 1 is under root 10. That is equation number 2nd. This is what distance QR. Okay, now we have to find out distance PR. Similarly, distance PR is equals to under root, what to write, x3 minus x1 to the whole square plus y3 minus y1 to the whole square. This is equals to under root x3 is how much? Here x3 is 4 and x1 is minus 2, y3 is 1, y1 is 3. Okay, I write here x3 is 4 minus 2 to the whole square plus y3 is 1 minus 3 to the whole square. Now see here again 4 as it is, minus plus 2 to the whole square plus 1 minus 3 is minus 2 to the whole square. This is equals to 4 plus 2 is 6 square plus 2 square is, or I write here minus 2 square as it is. Now tell me 6 square is 36 plus 2 square is 4. Okay, 36 plus 4, that is under root 40. This is equals to under root 40 distance PR. Okay, under root 40. Now this is under root 10 and this is under root 40. Now split this 40 as 4 into 10, 40. Okay, now square root of 4 is 2, square root of 10 नहीं आता है तो as it is लिखो, this is 2 root 10. Now see first, second and 3 I write here. Now see our distance PQ is under root 10, distance QR is under root 10 and distance PR is 2 root 10. See here 2 root 10 is equals to root 10 plus root 10. Is it right? This is 1 root 10 and this is 1 root 10. 1 plus 1, 2 root 10. That means distance PR is equals to distance PQ plus distance QR. Okay, and therefore point P, Q, R are collinear points. Collinear points. Okay, that is your last answer. This ends your part first of coordinate geometry. Practice set 5.1 question number 2nd.